Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, I'm very delighted to welcome Varith Nazeer Nurani to my video. Inshallah, let's discuss something very important matter. Inshallah, it is really a spontaneous meeting with these great personalities. Okay, let's dive deep into our core subject. Ustad, let's talk about the time.
Okay,
Okay, what do you think about time?
time. I think when you ask it, I remember that the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi
Sallallahu
wasallam.
alaihi wasallam.
He said that نعمتان مغبون فيهما كثير من الناس الصحة والفراغ. There are two blessings. The most of people are deceived about her: health and free times.
Yeah, when I listen to this hadith each time, it wakes me up suddenly. You know, are we in that situation? Because we are chasing behind the endless wealth and these material things. And when I listen to this, it reverberates on my ears and it wakes me up suddenly. It's really good hadith to remind. Is really. And what are the significance that we have in a time? How it is we can take in this contemporary world where everything is we are careless about times.
Yes, sure. We can make a timetable, time schedule. If we think our schedule, our day routines, if we plan it, we will get more times to do anything. But if we didn't make any plan, we can't do anything. We will not finish. I remember that when I was in campus, I planned only 2 days. 2 days, what will I have to do? But I completed that. But other days, when I didn't make any plans, I didn't complete anything.
Subhanallah. You know, when I listen to this, I just want to ask, I'm very curious to ask because now we are in the world of technology. You know, there are many distractions. Each and every person has smartphone in their hands, scrolling on Instagram and scrolling on YouTube shorts. Everything, they are engrossed in the distractions. How we can overcome this? How we can be mindful that giving such importance to the time? What do you think about that?
Yes, that's the most important question. If we look that, we have to realize the history and the autobiographies of ulamas. How they were using their times for in their life.
Yes.
If we thought that, we can manage everything. We will get a lessons from their lives.
I think before this conversation starting, you mentioned a kitab Qimatul Zaman.
No.
Yeah, in that kitab, I do remember I just referred one of the greatest scholars, that's the student of the Abu Hanifa rahimahullah, Yusuf radiallahu anhu, Abu Yusuf radiallahu anhu. And once he was in the deathbed, he was taking the last breath in his life. You know, one of his students approached him with medicine. The time he was taking last breath, suddenly he got the conscious and he started to discuss the mas'ala. And the students, that student mesmerized. How could you discuss the mas'ala? You are in the last situation. He said that this might be bring me into the paradise because I don't have anything. And as soon as that student reached the doorsteps of the room, he heard the sound of the Sakhratul Maut. The Abu Yusuf rahimahullah passed away. The last time, even the last, he was discussing such things, beneficial things.
Yeah, when you say that, when you say this, I remember that another thing that in Azkiya, Kitab al-Azkiya, there is a line, "Usrif ila ta'ati waqtaka kullaha." Serve your all time, spend your all time in ibadah, in doing ta'at.
Yeah,
Because Allah will ask about in the day of
judgment.
About each minute, each second.
Yeah, I do remember that when you say that, one of the scholars that I just read from that same kitab referred, I don't remember that scholar, he was walking, he was referring and walking. One of the person, the lay person, one of the normal person came to him, speak with me, spend time with me. He said that, Amsiq Shamsa. Behold the Shams, then I can speak you. Because people just say to them, I think that the word priceless, priceless.
Yes.
You know, people say that the gold is priceless, the silver is priceless, money is priceless. But I just want to add this word to the time, because we can measure the gold, we can measure the money, but we can't measure the time.
Yes,
That is a real priceless.
Yes,
What do you think
that's
about
true.
that?
Yes, that's of course, that is right. Very,
Yeah.
very right.
Then this is a time that we are talking this, you know, this may benefit the other to how to spend, because in this world, in this contemporary world, you know, people are, you know, instead of using the people and people are taking the people as object. And because, you know, in terms of the social medias, people are so distracted, they don't care about the time. Even as you said, the Allah will ask on the day of judgment, what you did with your what did you do with your age. Each everything will be questioned.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
And thinking about that, I think it will benefit the our audience to ponder and contemplate and think about the time and importance. Thank you for having this wonderful conversation. Inshallah, may this conversation benefit our audience. Once, inshallah, we will come once again with another new guest. Inshallah, may Allah accept our conversation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.